Srishti Farm, Shira Road, Madhugiri Town, Tumkur District. Bandoor sheep breed is a famous in Mysore region. Bandoor sheep is unique in India. Its meat is so soft and tasty. Hence, there is a great demand for this sheep breed. For the past 5 years, Srishti Farm is working hard to enhance and improve this breed. At present, in Srishti Farm, we have about 200 odd number of Bandoor sheep and about 35 number of rams. We are rearing this breed in very hygienic and scientific method. Hence, our sheep are healthy, good looking and weighing more. A sheep baby of 3 months weighs about 18 kg and a sheep of 18 months weighs about 60 kg. We grow about 6 to 8 different types of grasses for these sheep. In our farm premises, this breed requires about 3.5 kg to 4 kg food per day, whereas other sheep breed requires about 6 kg of food per day. We usually feed the sheep 4 times a day with natural food. First feed, we give different varieties of grasses that are grown in our own farm. Second feed, we give dried plants of groundnut and horse gram. Third feed, mixture of broken grains as high protein food. Fourth feed, we give different varieties of green grass that are grown in our farm itself. Growing these types of grass is a part of our agricultural activities. How the cultivation of Bandoor sheep is highly profitable. There is a great demand for the meat of Bandoor sheep, not only in Karnataka but also in other parts of India. Sheep manure is very fertile, hence there is a great demand for this manure compared to other manures. One sheep can give 3 babies in 2 years of time. That is, in 2 years, sheep population increases to 4 times. Hence, it is highly profitable and we have the data of this also. In about 18 months, a ram weighs about 60 kg. Ram can be sold at a higher rate. Recently, there is a record that a ram in Malayali is sold for 1,91,000. It has become a big news in all media. Speciality of Srishti Farm, Madhugiri. We have about 200 sheep of original breed and about 35 rams in our farm. We grow all types of grasses in our farm premises and we give the knowledge of cultivation of grasses to our customers if they will. We also educate our customers regarding feeding, caring, vaccinating and medicating. We never use artificial methods to increase size or weight of the sheep. In our farm, all methods are natural and scientific. Hence, we have pure Bandur sheep breed. You can visit our farm between 8 am and 6 pm on all the days and know all about our farm. Then select the sheep, pay according to its weight. We do not sell in market for meat. We sell only to rear the breed as we are interested in enhance and improve the offspring of the breed. Recently, we are experimenting to use the wool for soft beds, pillows and seaters. We give timely vaccination and medicine under the supervision of Dr. Praveen. Dr. Praveen is scientist and research person. He is head of IH&VB, Shira, Tumkur district, Karnataka.
Myself, Dr. Praveen Kumar Jia, working as a regional research officer at Animal Disease Diagnostic Laboratory and Information Center, Shira Veterinary Hospital compound, Tumkur district. Since from past 3-4 years, I visiting the Srishti Farm located at Madhigiri Siddhapura village, as owned by Narsai Gaudru. He is very well animal lover and is maintained a very good mutton breed called Bandur breed. It is very famous, world famous mutton purpose breed and very good in taste in mutton because of its contain fat globules in between the fibers, muscle fibers. So that's why it is very good taste in mutton breed. That's why, and also is very well in rearing in scientific method of sheep rearing and maintained all the facilities regarding water facilities and fodder facilities, concentrated for feed, whichever is the requirement is needed is supplied very well and maintained in a very good in nutrition condition. Animals are very good in nutrition condition, and the farm is very easily located and is very accessible to everyone. Is beside the road in between the Madhigiri and Shira are nearby to very located near to every Bengal and very good in scientific method in rearing.